What's up, guys? What is going on, everybody? It's your boy, Ride with Danger. Yo, hey, so new bike, who dis? I'm on my first ride, my ride home from WOW Motorcycles on the new to me, 2022 CBR1000RR. I sold the Gixxer and I'm on a Honda now. Your boy's a Honda, bro. Man, this thing is fun. It's quick. It's a little quickster boy. Shocking for a 1000, I know. It's fun though, man. I gotta get used to it a little bit, but I'm liking it so far, you know? Yeah, feel me? So yeah, this is gonna be the new bike on the channel. As for my shorts that I post daily, I still have a bunch of old videos to get through. So you're gonna see the Gixxer for a little bit, but any new videos I do and any new long form videos I do, they're gonna be with the new CBR. As long as I like it, unless, you know, I hate it and decide to get rid of it soon. I don't know. Maybe crash it into an Arby's. I don't know. It depends on how I'm feeling. My nose itches. Oh, I can't even get it in here. Oh, well. Yeah, so I ordered an exhaust for this thing, and it's already at my house. So I'm going to go get it off the front porch as soon as I get home and probably install it. Actually, no, I have a Christmas Eve dinner to go to. It's Christmas Eve right now. Merry Christmas to me. Happy Chrysler. Happy Honda days. Yeah, that's right, you back that thing up. Brother. God dang, dude, this light's like 30 dang minutes long, brother. Nice Beamer, bruh. Mind if I go over there and lick the headlight? I like licking headlights. Excuse me, sir, put a shirt on. It's weird cruising around town and never having to leave like third gear. I mean, realistically, I could break all the speed limits in first gear, but you know, I'm not a hooligan. Or am I? It is very smooth. Hey, do you want to stay in your lane there, homeboy?
Several days later.
Oh boy, I'm cold. I don't know about this. I did not wear the proper gear. I am taking my first commute to work on the bike. Bro, it's too cold. I'm not prepared. As far as sport bikes go, this is actually decent to commute on. I'm not gonna lie. It's not bad. I think I'm leaned over slightly more than I was on the Gixxer, but not bad. It's also crazy how you can cruise in such a low gear. You technically could on the 602, but it was like revving super high and obnoxious. But this just does it effortlessly. What is that in the road? Ew, gross. Anyway, I just kind of wanted to make my first video on the bike and kind of get my first impressions. Shout out to WOW Motorcycles for having this bad boy in stock. And I'll see about putting my Insta360 camera on this and start making some funny shorts like you're all used to. Oh, by the way, I have my new exhaust on it now. It sounds so good. It still has the baffle in it, and it's very loud. I don't know if I'm going to take it out or not, but it sounds good. See if you can hear this thing through the wind noise in the helmet. Oh, it sounds so musical. I'm still taking this thing easy, man. I'm getting used to it. It's actually very smooth with the power delivery. I'm surprised. I don't think it's as jerky as the Gixxer was. But when you get on it, it has got some torque, boy. I tell you what. This bad boy got some power. Ah, so windy. I do have an NBT hoodie on right now, by the way. It's keeping me a little warmer. And it's got armor in it, so that's cool. But it's like 40 degrees. With wind chill, it's way worse.
Oh, that's way worse.
So a hoodie is not cutting it, but you know. I just instinctively looked down where the Insta360 camera usually is, and it's not there. I was like trying to look into the camera and realize there wasn't one. That was probably stupid. Oh, she sounds so good. Yes, I'm gonna call the bike a he and a she. That's because I topped it off with some gender fluid this morning. Socio-political climate jokes. Whee! Railroad crossings. It's actually not bad. It's a really smooth bike all around. I think Honda did an awesome job on this. And honestly, I didn't think I would ever get a leader bike just because I'm short and I don't fit on them very well. I just looked at the non-existent camera again. But I sat on this one and it's not bad. Like the seat's super narrow and it's still taller, but it's not bad. But I sat on it and I'm like, I can touch the ground. Like, I'm obviously nowhere close to flat footing, but it wasn't as bad. Like, I sat on the ZX10R, one of my favorite bikes, by the way, and I just do not fit on it. It feels huge. I love how it looks and sounds and everything, but like, I can't. It's just not for me, you know? But I sat on this and I was like, this is surprisingly close to the Gixxer. I mean that in the best way. I know some of the Honda fanboys are going to be like, what'd you say? It's not a Gixxer! It's not a Gixxer! I mean it endearingly. The Gixxer is one of the most comfortable, manageable sport bikes. And actually, this fits me better than the Gixxer 1000 does. Alright, whatever. You guys are all going out of turn. You guys suck. Anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and cut this video here, guys. I hope you enjoy seeing the new bike on the channel. And if you're local, seeing me around, I'll try to be going to car shows. Probably not now, dude. It's freezing. I don't like this. But when it warms up, I'll be out. Peace out, Girl Scouts. I will catch you guys next time. A peace.